in? I don't even know how he got in. They really like it out here. Roll the intro. Alright guys, I hope you liked the beginning part of the video. It's like the best bits of my video. Well, I think it's the best bits of my video, or what's important part of the video. Anyways, if you liked what you saw, can you please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell. It really helps my channel, especially since I'm trying to go to 1,000 subscribers this year. Every like counts, every subscription counts, and hitting the bell really tells the algorithm to pump out my videos or show them more people. It really helps out a lot. So let's get to the video, guys. Hello! Welcome back to my channel today. What is today? What? No, it's not. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today's Thursday. I was going to say, yesterday was Wednesday. Today's Thursday. You're about as bad as I am when it comes to dates. And I don't even go nowhere. Anyways, guys, have no idea what today. My mom's home. My dog's going nuts. Kitty Jake, what are you doing? Okay. Ah. What are you doing? What do you want? What? Go, Jake. Anyway, guys, I know today, but let's get this started. I will come back in a minute. Hi, guys, I'm back. It's actually a beautiful day outside. It actually doesn't feel like winter anymore. It's actually more like fall today because it's not too hot, not too cold. Huh? Is it? The garden looks better. I mean, more of it's popping up, but it's still not thick like it should be in certain places. Don't know what happened to the cover crop. Maybe it'll be thick enough to stop weed suppression. I don't know.
This is for the chickens.
We'll put it outside.
I'm right there.
Okay.
Don't want to get too hot.
Oh, it's not that hot. It's not that hot outside. Oh, man. It is. Chickens are out already.
Really?
Yep. Like I said, I think the last 2 days they've been in there with the big chickens all day. With no gate at all. The gate's been completely down. I don't know what's going on with it. And that's why I tried to tell you guys I'll put them away the first day and you won't believe me. And then my dad's like, oh, you did that. I was like, no, I didn't. And he says I did, but I don't really know what the heck he's talking about. Right, Jake? I'm talking to myself now. Right, Jakey? Oh, let's go see if she's still back here. Frisky has been in the house for 2 days. Well, she left today for a little bit, but she's actually sticking around. I don't know what happened to her, but she had a rough couple days. 3 days out there in the wilderness, alone, being attacked by wolves. Were you attacked by wolves? We don't have wolves though, dummy. We have coyotes and foxes and bears. Was you treated up by a fox or a coyote, huh? Oh my goodness, did you find other family? Tell me what happened. He says, I don't want to know. You gonna tell me what happened? I'm gonna put a camera on you with a GPS so I can see where you go. Yeah. When I get some extra money, that's what I'm gonna do and put a camera on you. Because you take off for hours and hours and hours. Anyways, guys. I will come back in a few minutes. So, hi guys, I'm back. We had a mass prison escape of these guys. What? I don't know what. I don't know. They're underneath there. I don't know. I think one's laying an egg underneath there. It sounds like it. What, did you hear it?
Big yellow's coming.
Ah! What is your problem?
It's that chicken.
It didn't even do nothing.
It's chasing us.
It is not. It just went towards you and you lost a shoe. I don't know what the heck your problem is.
Come on, Jake. Check me, Jake. Get out there, you pig.
I have no idea what your problem is.
It was a couple of minutes. What's this on?
He doesn't know.
Why is he calling us?
Because look at them all. They're free ranging.
What?
They're free ranging.
What are you guys doing? What do you do that pigs put out here?
Yeah.
There's one in there.
I know, one went in. There's a chicken over there taking a bath. Big chicken. Compost.
Where?
Compost.
What's it doing over there?
Who knows?
They're not chicken there, not doing it. No big chicken.
See what?
That's it.
Better watch out, there's roosters in there, Mom. They might actually eat you.
And they probably will.
No, they're not gonna touch you.
doing in there?
He can't figure his way out. He's stupid.
Come here. Come here.
He says no.
Well,
He'll find his way out.
this guy's gonna hit the out. Come on. Come on out.
He says, I'm free again.
What's it doing?
They don't know. They like eating these briars.
Why?
I don't know. Especially them black chickens. Look at him. See, look, he's eating a briar. Who knows?
What are you guys doing?
They're having a field day.
Why are you calling each other?
Because it's what they do. They really like it back in there.
They're all there.
I know.
I'm coming back here to look for the eggs. Hey, what's wrong with you guys? You took too long.
I think he freaked them out.
I didn't do nothing. What you do with the eggs, you know?
I can't wait till they grow up to be roosters in there. Roosters. Look at that one. He's already walking around like a rooster. Gee, I gotta go in here and film some in here. Jake, don't tangle me up. Stop it. We gotta go inside and get a front row Jake experience here. I know they love it being out here.
Make up Jake.
How did he get in? I don't even know how he got in. They really like it out here. Look at 'em. What the heck was that one doing? Huh? Are you Mr. Rooster back here, huh? Are you Mr. Rooster? Nope, he says I'm out of here. What? Look at these. These chickens love being out here. Do you hear me?
Yeah, that's what about me.
What freaked these guys out?
I don't know. They're not.
They definitely need more room. Well, they needed more room than that cage. You're too big for it too now. They need more room at night.
What to do with them, Benny? I don't
They got to
know.
fend for themselves.
Too little.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Hell, they're just getting used to them one chicken.
No, they are not.
Yeah.
No. Look at them go. Can you imagine this when they're a couple weeks older? Why does this one keep jumping at me? What's he doing?
What's this?
They really like this area, tall grass,
They're getting the grass into the eat. That's why.
because they ate it all.
Yeah.
Look, this bug flew in there after it. Yeah.
What else did you for? I didn't do nothing to you.
I like this one. He's muscly. He looks skinny, but he's actually all muscle. What?
How did you get back in there?
They go underneath it. They'll figure their way out. They're probably going to get the food or water. Anyway, guys, I will cut back in a few minutes. Hi, guys, I'm back. We're going to go put the baby chickens away because they're nuts. They don't know any better yet. Anyways, and my dad and mom can actually help me today. Unlike the last 3 days, I had to huff it myself, and yesterday I about passed out doing it. No. I thought you were supposed to bring up food. Well, you go get the food while me when I catch them. Tie them up. Did all the big chickens go in?
No, just five out.
The big chickens?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I had to pick up one, too.
What is this cat? Oh, gee. Gee. Hey, you two need to stop. I didn't even know she was in there. I know. Hey, Frisky, relax. Gee. Hey, are you okay? You're okay. Gee. What? They all jumped out. Why didn't you let them? They had fun today running
Door
around.
open, door probably open. No.
They won't go into it anyways.
Yeah, come on, Mike.
No, they don't. Last 3 days they all jumped on top.
White one's good.
Oh, I'm filming you. I didn't even realize what you had. Oh well. Whatever. We'll just put a big giant sensor bar. I'm not censoring it. Deal with it, YouTube. Sound like I'm making money anyways. But yeah, but none of his videos make money anymore. He has to get sponsors for all of his videos. He won't make a video unless he has a sponsor. Yeah, seriously. His vet and his vlog channel makes him all the money. See, just showing this. Well, there goes all the money I could. Well, I'm not even monetized anyway, so it doesn't matter. But now they're gonna rank me even lower because they have algorithms that look for stuff like that, and if you notice it, it's like, oh, boom, deranked. Out of the algorithm. What?
Come on, Jake, I'll take you for a walk down that.
What are the little chickens doing? Meow. Where'd he go? Who? They just want to go to bed. That's his compost. Meow. Frisky's in there fighting an Oreo. She's in them bushes. She's fighting Oreo a minute ago.
On the farm now.
Yeah, the farm life. I'll make we might get cut. They might copyright my video if you sing any song like that. There's probably a copyright to it somewhere.
What?
The big chicken there yelling, calling for the other chickens. Why don't you open this up more instead of getting crushed by the door? Yeah, but we're fatter than you. We're yes, we are. We're both fatter than him. What do you? Why would you put the water in there? You're doing it, Mom. Don't put. Stop. When you put it, it's gonna kick it out and knock it over the place. Take it and put it on that thing over there, and then fill it up right before. Why didn't someone bring it in here? They won't go in anyways. No, they won't. That's what they do. They're cold. Put both of them in one.
Huh?
Put both of them in one. There you go. Kitty cat's behind you.
Where?
Behind you. He said, what? Listen, I don't know what stinks. Probably because I'm up here more often than you guys are now.
Huh?
I don't smell anything. You just put it over here next to this is how I do it by myself. And then when you put them in there, you grab it.
Where's the water? Hello.
Do you count all the chickens?
We eat too much feed. Gee whiz.
They eat it.
Don't eat it all.
You guys all in here? I can't even film. Anyway, guys, I need my phone camera, so I'll cut back in a minute. So, whoop. Alright, guys, I'm back. My dad's here, right, Dad? You go. What are you doing?
I'm going to sleep.
Well, Jake, I guess you're the star now. I guess you're gonna get more money, Jake. You get 80% of the profit now. Hello in there.
It belongs to me, so I get 80% of it.
Oh, Bull, he's my dog. I
No,
want the
you're
quarter
not
of it.
mine.
No, you didn't want him.
I did too.
No, you didn't.
I
You
love
didn't
Jake.
My mom didn't want him.
No, you didn't eat more. Yeah, you
Yeah, I told you we should have took him from the beginning, remember?
did. Yeah.
Ooh, they showed up here with the dog, and I was like, let's take him. He's like, no, no, no.
That's not how it
Yeah, it was.
was.
You said, we don't need no dog, and then you gave him to Francis. That's how it
I
happened.
know, that was...
That's how it happened.
Yeah, but you didn't want to.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I
Well, Why
did.
didn't you tell me? I would have got
I
him.
told you.
You not.
Yes, I did. Me and you was, remember you was like, oh, we don't, because back then we still had Chomper and all them other dogs, remember? Yeah, we did. We had like 4 dogs up here.
We didn't have Chomper.
We had Dusty, Beethoven, and I
Dusty,
think Chomper
Beethoven.
too at the time.
No, we didn't.
I'm pretty sure we
Yeah,
did.
double check him.
Not yet.
Yes, he did.
I don't think he did.
He did.
I don't think he did. Right, Jakey? Right, Jakey? Right, Jakey? You, Jakey?
I did chickens.
What?
What is that?
What? I don't hear anything.
Keep him baby chickens.
I don't hear anything.
Uh,
All I hear is the clock. Is that what you hear? Tick, 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 tick. You losing your mind over here.
come
Are you
on.
going chicken crazy?
No.
Anyway, guys, I'll come back a minute. I want to get a
Yeah,
vlog.
no.
So, hi, guys, I'm back in a vlog. I'll be kind of quiet because my mom's in her sleep. Well, she doesn't have to work tomorrow, so I don't have to be as quiet. But it would be nice for her to actually sleep. But, anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Whoop, roll the outro. Whoop. Alright, guys, if you made this far to the video, hope you guys enjoyed it. But if you really want to check out more, there's 2 videos here, and you can subscribe by clicking this button thing here.